Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, April the 30th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. The room is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. I'm open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time, sharing my screen and live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a link for the next test drive. The next test drive starts on May the 11th and goes to May the 22nd. That is 10 trading days. We do this 4 times a year. We don't have free trials, but this is about as close as you're going to get. It will cost you $8.99 for those 10 trading days. And if you're a standard subscriber, it's also open to you. You'll still pay the $8.99, but we will upgrade you to a premium subscription. And you also have access to the program. I know it starts on May the 11th, but that's the Monday. But you'll actually have access to the program a couple of hours after the market closes on the Friday before the Monday, okay? So you can play around with the program over the weekend. So great opportunity for you to try us out. As I say, you'll have access to the full premium service. Well, guys, as exciting as it was yesterday, today was really nothing for me today. Now, granted, it's funny, the test drive doesn't start till May the 11th, but we've got so many new people looking to try to understand, number one, trading, and number two, our program. I almost feel like we're in a test drive. Consequently, I'm answering a lot more questions than I normally would. Absolutely fine. If you've been one of those people in the trading room and you haven't asked me a question because you think that you're going to bother me or take away from my trading, please don't worry. That's why I'm here. I can always, I do enough trading that it doesn't make any difference to me. But I have to admit, at the beginning of the day, there are a lot of interesting things that went through. I try to point them out to people, and I can't take the trades because I just don't have the time to monitor them the way I should. So there's a quick way of saying I only took TTM today, and that was it. And that was just really kind of a nothing trade. If you take a look at it on the weekly chart. Does that look? Yeah. So you see why I was interested. This is why it made my watch list, because it looked like it wanted to start coming back. Look at the massive void here. And so when I saw the alert, let me get to the 15-minute chart again. Got the alert at $6.20. So I ended up taking this trade at $6.21. It got up to $6.32. I thought, okay, maybe we're on our way. This is the pre-market. It got as high as $6.40. It's kind of hoping it would get into the high $6.30s. Maybe in the 640s before I took some out. Anyway, when it started doing this, I thought, you know what, I'm out. So I basically got out for a big 7-cent gain. And that's the only trade I've taken so far. Now, I do believe that I'll probably be able to take something later on in the day. I have been noticing that in the last couple of hours, there have been some good setups. Once the market the market never really totally settles down, but there are some, especially in the bios, I find that there's some that just kind of take a while to settle down. And then all of a sudden, if there's some volume that comes in later on in the day, that can really pop them. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on. Yesterday's, I think I hope I got this right. One more shot. Well, I can't believe it. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. I thought it was TNDM. Maybe it's TNDM. Let me just see. One more shot. There we go. I knew. This is the one. Yeah, this diabetes TNDM. So look what happened yesterday with this one. This is No, this is not it. Guys, I can't believe it. I can't remember it. I have to dig it up. Let's see if I can find it here. I can't remember what it was, but anyway, it was a nice one about, I think it was around $1.50. I took the trade, I lost 10 cents on it, and then I got back into the trade around $1.50, and it ran to over, I think, $2.25 in the after hours. And So, and that was, I think that started around 1:45. So there are some really interesting ones. It just took a while to set up. It's not this one. Obviously, it's not this one. But anyway, that's what I'm kind of going to take a look at and see if I can grab something later on in the day. And it's the end of April. So what a month. What a month has been very interesting. The SPY had a great recovery month, one of the biggest percentage, I think, recovery months in a long, long time. So we'll have to see what happens in May. So I want to bring back the capture program. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link, again, to get into the free room. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.